point here, there's a seal in the water. We're normally trying to stop and find one on the rocks, but we couldn't see any at all yesterday, so I was even two of them there. These ones, the southern New Zealand fur seals. Well, that's what we call them. They are actually part of the sea lion family. Walk on their flippers and have external ears. They nearly hunted to extinction in the late 1800s, hunted for their fur for clothing, blubber for cosmetics. They're not fully protected until 1916. They have made a good comeback since then.
Kom op med nogle lidt tårnfyr.